Welcome to Sometime 4. Today we're working with pages 30 and 31, and they're called equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios are proportional ratios. In each set there are 4 combinations. I want you to try and work out and tell me how many of the 4 are equivalent ratios. Let's do the first one together. You can see 2 to 8 equals 7 to 28. 2 to 8 equals 28 to 7. 2 to 7 equals 8 to 28. And finally, 8 to 2 equals 28 to 7. Let's work them out, shall we, and see which of them are equivalent ratios. First of all, let's look at the first one. 2 to 8 equals 7 to 28. Let's work with the extremes. That's 2 and 28. 2 times 28 equals 56. Because 2 times 8 is 16, carry the 1, 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 makes 5, 56. So we know that the extremes equal 56. Now look at the means, 8 and 7. 7 times 8 equals, that's right, 56. So we can say that 2 to 8 equals 7 to 28 is an equivalent ratio. So let's mark it yes. Let's look at the next one. 2 to 8 equals 28 to 7. I can tell you now, I don't believe this is an equivalent ratio, because 2 is less than 8, but 28 is more than 7. But let's work it out and see. First of all, the extremes. 2 times 7 equals 14. 8 times 28, well, 8 eighths are 64. That's 4, carry the 6. 8 twos are 16, plus 6, 24. 244. So 1 is 14 and 1 is 244. So these are not equivalent ratios. Let's mark them no. The third one. 2 over 7 is the same as 8 over 28. Or 2 colon 7 equals 8 colon 28. The extremes, 2 times 28, 56. The means, 7 times 8, 56. So yes, these are equivalent ratios. Let's look at the fourth one. 8 to 2 equals 28 to 7. Let's multiply the extremes. 8 times 7 equals 56. Now let's multiply the means. 2 times 28 equals 56. So 8 times 7 equals 56, 2 times 28 equals 56. We have an equivalent ratio. So let's mark it yes. You can work with the examples on the next 2 pages for practice. See you again soon.